Cream of potato topped with egg and truffles. This can be served as an appetizer, but also as a second course. The particular aspect is the fact that it's all well balanced because the potatoes are cooked in milk, reduced, then blended with a little water to adjust the density. Then there's the sweetness of the potatoes, which is reinforced by the sweetness of the milk, which has a neutral base but still a sweet one. The egg is then cooked in water with a little vinegar, so the yolk is covered by the egg white, so that we end up with poached eggs that will be placed on top of this sweet cream of potato. Then we add the truffles. In this case, I'm using black ones, but you can also use the white variety. This dish was created to emphasize the truffles, as they are the main event flavor-wise. The truffles also highlight the flavor of the eggs, with the potatoes bringing creaminess and balance to the entire dish. So let's get started. To give it more creaminess, we reduce the milk by about half. Then add the water and bring to a boil, and then blend. We put a pan on the fire with boiling water, add the vinegar, and create a tornado with the help of a whisk. Once the tornado has been created, we add the egg and continue to mix for a few seconds until the egg whites have wrapped around the yolk, creating the so-called shirt.